Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the third week's first session of the Magical Math Mornings with Ram sir. We are we have learned the basics of addition, how to group them to make 10, how to visualize the sum without actually adding the sum through our mouth, and also we have learned how to skip the numbers, add it and come back so that we can make them as a group and we can add them faster. And also we have learned how to do the addition like the subtraction, like when we want to add the numbers ending with 9 or 8 plus 49 plus 99 plus 299 kind of things. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to add the numbers from left to right. Yes, you heard me right. We are not going to add the numbers from right to left, what we do traditionally. We are going to add the numbers from left to right. This is what is the most useful method when we do the calculations, maybe in shops, especially when you go to the grocery shops or whenever you're doing a quick additions and all. This is the one which is going to help us. Okay, let's quickly see how this method works out. Addition from left to right in this direction. Okay. Now let's take some four numbers: 34 plus 28 plus 16 plus 14 plus 9. Let's take what we're going to do. First, let's add these numbers. Instead of adding the units digits, we are going to consider the tens digits. What is there in this? 34. We'll add the tens here. Tens means 20 are there. 2 into 10 is 20. So 44, 54 in mind. First, go through this step by step. Okay. Later on, I will tell you how to squeeze the time and directly visualize the answer. This is the methodology. 34, 44, 54. 54 plus 8 is 62. And this, the sum is 30. So 62, 30. 92 plus 9, 101. How I say this one very fastly? Very quick means we can add these two also. 50, 70. That means I am adding only the tens. 50, 70, 78, 88, 492, 92 plus 9, 101. Quickly what we say? 50, 78, 92, 101. Let's take the next number. Let's take some example. 17 plus 22 plus 13 plus 41 plus 35 plus 11 we want to add. Always we look for the numbers which are making it to the close friends. That is, they are making them as a couples where the numbers add up to the multiples of tens. In this case, 30. See, I didn't say 17 plus 13. Directly, you visualize 13 plus 17. That is 30, 52. This is 52. Because directly, I'm adding 20. 30 plus 20 makes 50. And the remaining two also I'll add directly. 52. Then 40. That is 92. One means 93. Then 35 means I will add 30. 95. Sorry, what is it say? 30, 52, 93. 30 is 123 plus 5, 128, 138, and 139 is the answer. How do I think them in the steps? I will tell you. 30, 50 in case required, or because it is 30, directly I can add 52, 93, 52 plus 40 is 92, and 193. Whenever there is a numbers ending with 0 or 1, we can directly add also. 93, then 30 I will add 123, then I will go to the step of 128 adding 5, then adding 11 is easy, 139. Like this, step by step, this is how we think. As you practice, you can skip these numbers and directly go to the next jumping numbers. Let's take one more example. Maybe you want to add 9 plus 28 plus 13 plus 37 plus 8 plus 31. Always I'll try to look, is there any pair which can make it to the multiples of tens? Yes, the sum of these two is 50. Don't write this, but just try to understand why I am writing 50. This is the first, it will get 50. 37 plus 13 is 50. Then we'll go, is there any other pair? No. 50, 59, then 20 we'll add 69, 79. Correct? But with practice, you can directly say 79. Now we'll add 8. It will become 87. We'll go to 8, 95. Then we'll go to 30, 125. Finally, we'll say the answer is 126. Correct? Quickly recap: 30, 39, 59, 6, 59, 8 is okay. It is 28, correct? No? 67. Let's quickly do this while explaining. I think I made some small error. This is 50, 59, 79, 887, 895, 125, one is 126. Yes, I am right. Because someone said 128, I thought I did a mistake. Okay. Shall we try one or two numbers in this method? Or you want me to give one more example? Let me give a little difficult one. I'll give an example of little difficult one. This is what we do, addition from the left to right. Let's take little bigger number, like we want to add 71 plus 32 plus 44 plus 80 plus 19. Is there a number which is making a standard pair? Yes, these two. Correct? No, 71 and 19. First, I will start from there so that I will remove some major chunk of the numbers which we can directly couple them. 71 and 19 will make 90. 90, 30, 122. I will say directly 122. Next, 40 is 122 plus 40 is 162. So 166. Then comes 80. 160 plus 80. Because we leave the unit digit and then we add 246. Isn't it simple? So first we'll say 90, 122, 166, 246. These all things we'll be telling, speak in our mind. Got it? Let me give you one question. I want you people to try and answer in the chat box. Okay? Let's note this. 48 plus 42 plus 35 plus 34 plus 16. I gave relatively easy numbers. Add them and tell the answer quickly. Add them from left to right and tell the answer. This takes a little bit of practice, and with little practice, you become very fast in this. You don't require calculators. Yes, very fast, very good, and that's the correct answer also. First, we look for the close friends couples, correct? No? 90, 50, correct? No? 140, 35, directly 175. Whenever there is a number like 140, since it is 0, directly we'll do 140, 30 is 170, but in the mind we'll say it as 175. Very good. Let's take the next set of numbers. We want to add 33 plus 69 plus 37 plus 46 plus 25. Add this quickly, let's see. Add them. Quickly we need to do. Yes. Practice as fast as possible. See, you should always combine the methods whatever we have taught earlier. Everything you need not do this method. This is easier to add them. Yes. What I do in this case, let's see, I'll add these two to make them as the close friends couple. 33 plus 37. This will make 70. But while adding 69, I am not going to use this method. You remember the method when the numbers ending with 9 or 8, which is close to the tens. What we'll do? We'll just add 70 and subtract 1. Correct, no? 70, 140 minus 1 is 139 I will take. Then I'll go for this 139, 40, 179, 185, 20 is 205, so I will write 210. You understood how I made these things? So, whatever the method we learnt earlier, we should add them using the best possible methods. Which one to use in which place? That's what you practice will tell you. The one which is going to give save you time for that method you are going to use. Okay. Now let's take the question where we may have to use completely from the left to right addition. Okay. Let's take this simple one I'll give for you to answer me. 15 plus 51 plus 39 plus 78 plus 30. Add this. First, always look for the things which can make a close friend couple. Correct? No? Close buddies. Oh, very fast. And that is perfect also. No, it's not 211. Small mistake. Yes. 213 is the right answer. See here, directly we'll say 90. Whenever we are adding these numbers, you remember 1 and 9 make a Aptamitra, close friends. So directly you add 5 plus 3, 8 and you take 90. 90, 105, whichever is the easier one I will go. 105, 30 is 135, 135, 70 is 205, 8, 213. So you can make little forward and backward just to help you aid in quick addition. Let's do one more quicker one. 11 plus 33 plus 55 plus 77 plus 99. By this time, answer should have come actually. This is such an easier number. These two make a close couple. These two make a close couple. And just add 55 to that. Yes, that is the correct answer, correct? 11 and 99 will make 110, 33, 77. Again, they are making the complementary numbers, correct? No, 7 and 3. They are the complements of 10. So, 110, 220, 55 means I will not add 270 and 5. Directly, I will utilize 275. Perfect. How to use this method? Suppose there is a 3-digit number. Suppose, let's take that there is a number like 56 plus 130 plus 99 plus 4 plus 47. We have a combination of single digit, two digit, three digit, and even this method can be used for the four digit numbers also. What we do? The same thing. 130 means what I'll take? 130 plus 56. I'll take it here. Or I will take only these two numbers, excluding the last digit. Correct? No, since it's a zero, it's very easy. Correct? What I'll do? 60, 130, 190, 99. I will use the other method. 190, 100, 290, but 289, 329, 7, 336. But you are faster than me because I was explaining, but you people have already typed the answer. You understood how fast we can do this. Quickly, let's practice one or two problems before wind up today's session. Okay. So addition from left to right is what you people have to practice for the day-to-day practical usage. Whenever you want to add something, you got some six subjects marks you want to add from left to right. You went to grocery shop, the person is struggling to add and searching for the calculator, you add left to right. Add them and give the numbers. That's it. Let's take this one. 71 plus 32 plus 44 plus 80 plus 19. Add this. Quickly. Yes. Very fast. Very good. Correct. How we will go? We'll go with the close couple. 90 and 80 is easier. No, I will directly attack this. 170, 202, 242, 246. Just with three or four quick thinkings, we can get the answer. Less than 2 to 3 seconds, we can tell the answer. Correct? No? Let's take the last question for today. Very good. 32 plus 67 plus 124 plus 88 plus 46. Go ahead. I had given little bigger numbers. Is it? We got one answer. But unfortunately, that's not correct. Cross check once quickly. Yes, this is the correct answer. These two will make a good couple. These two also will make a good couple. What is this? 124 and 46. We'll add only the digits from the 10 place onwards. Correct? No, 120 plus 40 is 160. So I'll take 170 directly. Here, what we did 30 and 80 will make 110. So I will directly take 120 directly. 170, 120, 290, 60, 350. So I'll write 357. Perfect. You all have enjoyed the method, I feel. Now onwards, whether it is involving single digit, we can add anyway. It doesn't make any difference whether we add from left to right. But two digits, three digits, and higher ones, try to add the numbers from left to right. This is the best thing that you can practice. And as you keep on getting the bigger numbers, then it will become much more easier to do in this way. What we're going to do, the last step, in the last step, you people will you will be learning how to group the numbers and add when big numbers are given, three or four digit numbers. No, that is the only last step that is pending for mastering the super fast addition that we are going to learn in tomorrow's session. Okay, so I think someone has reminded me that I will send it today. I didn't know how to add that one in the live videos comments. I learned that one yesterday night. I will be sending that one today. Thank you for reminding, and see you all tomorrow morning sharp at 7 o'clock with our magical math mornings. Okay? Keep enjoying and find the maja in the maths. See you tomorrow morning. Bye.